Hi guys, my name is Will. I'm from Edwards Sound Systems, and with me today is the Challenger C1000 portable speaker. Now this is the second largest unit in our portable range, with a couple of features that kind of overall mixes with the other units. This one does have a couple of extra neat features, like the extendable trolley arm with the wheel, so you don't have to carry it, you can just lug it around if you want. And like all the other portable systems, it's modular, so that means you can slot in modules that you need for a specific task. What we have here is a microphone module, a receiver module. It comes with the unit as a standard, so you can have your wireless microphone connected to it. You can add 3 more if you want, or you can swap that around for something else like a repeater. So what a repeater does, if you have a slave speaker, which is basically this, just a stripped down version, you can connect the two up to 80 meters apart. The next feature is the media player that it comes with. There's a little Bluetooth player, so you can connect your phone to play wirelessly via your phone, or there's a USB player that you can play MP3s from either USB or SD card, or even record if you like to record your sessions. In addition to that, there's your usual inputs that you can plug in a wired mic in there, or just anything line level like a RCA plug from your phone. What we've got here is voice priority, so with that button engaged, if you've got music playing either from Bluetooth or the USB player, the moment you turn your microphone on and start speaking, the music cuts off, and when you turn the microphone off, the music fades back in. So that's great for announcements that you want people to listen to. The next thing here is the active out, so you can connect another active speaker or connect it to a mixing console if you want to connect to a bigger sound system. Then you can also connect an external 8 ohm speaker to this via this jack over here, and then you've got controls, so volume controls for your microphone, your line, whatever you need, 2-band EQ, bass and treble, and your master volume back there. So like the rest of the portable units, this is also battery powered or mains powered. You can have up to 10 hours of use on a single charge, which make this unit completely wireless. With your wireless microphone, your wireless music playability, and your battery, you can just put it somewhere on a field or in a hall and just have your whole presentation wireless. Another cool accessory is this drizzle cover, so if you want to use this unit in light rain, you are able to do so. It's got 2 side pockets for your microphone if you want to use that, and even this plastic cover at the back protects your controls, so you can unzip that just to get access to that if you want to use them, or just remove the whole cover. For more information on this and all the other portable systems, check out our website on edwardznz.co.nz.